3 in 5 Americans report feeling more tired now than they've ever been. Yet only 1 in 10 Americans meet the daily recommended intake of fruits and veggies. And this nutritional gap, while it can explain some of that fatigue. Hi, I'm Dr. Partha Nandi, a board-certified practicing physician, and my goal, well, it's to create a world of health heroes, people who put their health first to reduce pain and suffering on our planet. And that's where Super Greens comes in. Now, this supplement is packed with essential nutrients from fruits and vegetables that can help supplement your diet and give you the energy boost you need. Its purity, quality, and effectiveness is really unmatched in the industry. And there's no corn, gluten, yeast, artificial colors or flavors. Hey, you won't find this in big box stores. Isn't it time to become your own health hero, to recharge your energy and feel revitalized for your daily battles? It's time to reclaim your energy. Learn more about Super Greens today.